Hello everyone, my name is Shweta and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to register for an IRCC account so you can apply for a Canada Visitor Visa or Super Visa. Let's get started. In Google, search for IRCC Portal Canada and click on the second link that says Apply Online to visit Canada IRCC Portal. Here you can register by getting an invite code. Enter your email address that you want to use to register for the IRCC portal and confirm the same and click on Get Invitation Code. Here you can copy the invitation code by clicking Copy to Clipboard button and then continue to the IRCC portal sign up page. Here you can enter the copied invite code and then enter the email address that you used before. And your password must be 8 to 15 characters long with at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, one numeric digit and one special character. Next, make sure your surname and the given name matches exactly with your passport or travel document and enter your telephone number along with the dial code and click sign up. Next, it will send a verification code to the email. You can check your email, copy the verification code from there and then enter it and click confirm. Once your email address is verified, you need to enter your email address and password and click sign in. Next, it will ask you to accept the terms and condition. Scroll to the very bottom and click I accept. And you will be logged in to the IRCC portal homepage. This is where you will see apply for a visitor visa or a transit visa link. You can click this link to apply for a visitor visa or a super visa. If you need help with the application itself, I have also created a step-by-step tutorial on my channel that walks you through the complete Canada Visitor Visa application process from start to finish. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might find it useful, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Maple Pathways for more Canada immigration and newcomer tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you all in the next video.